relax here. Wow. See, your neck's already going. His neck is very hypermobile in here. Feels like he's a self-adjuster. Good, nice. You okay with that one too?
Yep.
Good.
啊，你放松，你别配合，就是你的就是放松就行，啊。他自己一跟着来的，就是力量损耗了，这已经他提不上来了，这样的时候。
Good. Bueno. You okay?
Yes.
Right in here. Good.
Gotta get the right angle. There it is. Nice and easy. No moving. One more. There.
Oh my god.
That's that one. Here. Easy. Easy. Good.
Oh my god.
Right there.
Oh.
And right here. This is where the big hump is. No, relax. You gotta relax. I got it. Okay, come up. Face down. Relax. Gotta get the right angle here. There it is. It's right there. Good.
Oh my word.
My goodness.
Easy. Right there. Good.
Oh.
We're going to get right on C5 and just make a nice little adjustment right there.
That one more time, twice a day. All right. I can read. It's like I have a wire inside. I can't read it. Yeah, the more you do that, the better it is. Yeah. Okay. Feel that? Yeah.
Beautiful. We're going to go around the other side. Move another bone in the neck. Beautiful adjustment. Excellent.
Excellent. Boy, oh boy. Malleus, incus, and stapes. So I'm going to grab her earlobe. There it is, right there. You heard it. And on both sides. Good job. Wow.
That seems to be moving. Oh my God, that was a big one.
Yeah, wow. I never heard that.